this is the new hive, and I don't think that there's anything in this top honey box that I put on here. I would be surprised if there was anything at all in it. I just kind of threw it on here. You can see they're already starting to gum it together though a little bit. Probably just going to take that box off. No real need to even having it on there. Yeah. Because they're just messing around in there. They're not really doing anything. So we'll probably just leave that off. But what I wanted to see was what was going on inside the hive here. Thought I had my smoker going, but a little bit of smoke in there. But I just wanted to pull out a couple of frames and see what they're doing, because I brought this hive home from my buddy Gina's. So it really hasn't been in here very long. And I wanted to see what the bees are doing in here. Now right here in the center, this box, like I said, has only been on here about 4 weeks. And look at the brood. And look at the honey. Oh, same thing on both sides. And if we look down in, it looks very similar down in there. Loose a little bit. Let's see if we can lift another one up out of here. Boy, these things are hard to get out sometimes. Okay, here's another one just covered with brood. Same scenario on the other side. In the next frame, looking down there, and there's the same way. I don't think I'm going to take them all out, but I just wanted to see what was in here. So this is a new box, and it appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have bees, honey, brood, and these outside 2 do not. So this is the top box of the 2. And like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames with honey and brood all over them. So these bees are really doing one heck of a job. I'm going to close it back up, and when we get back home here in a couple weeks, I'm going to go ahead and put a sugar box on top of this and see if I'll put a sugar box on top of this and feed them throughout the winter. So, but man, I am just tickled with these bees. They are doing a great job. They are doing a great job. Let's see, we'll put this lid back on. got the hive leveled up, and we took that extra box off of it that we don't need. So they've got at least two more frames that they can do whatever they want with between now and winter. And I'll put a sugar block on there, and everybody will be happy.